In this tutorial, I will be showing you how to enable the new agents feature in GitHub Copilot on Visual Studio Code. First, if you go down here, you will find the agent. If you don't, it's simple. All you have to do is just enable it. So go to user settings and just search for agent. And you will find this. Enable it and you will have your agent. Now, what exactly is an agent? In GitHub Copilot, first the ask is your regular chat and edit lets you work on the files. But the agent does what the edit and ask does, and it has other features such as actually executing what it wrote, and it can augment itself by fetching information from a documentation that you provide. So to show it in action, I'm gonna ask Now, I'm gonna ask it to do a simple HTML page about the content of an article about the revival of the dire wolf, which is a recent event, and LLMs do not know it. So, how do we enable the agent to fetch that information? Well, it's simple. All you have to do is hashtag and the fetch command. Give it the URL and send it. Now, it's working. It fetched the information. Now it's going to get to building the page. So let's work. So as you can see, it did the page, give us the code, and let's keep it. And I want it to run. I don't know how. I'll just tell it.
Before we continue with this video, make sure to subscribe to the channel as that will help us a lot. Thank you.
So as you can see, it gave the command and it's asking my input should it run it or not. I would say continue, and there you have it. That's the agent in a nutshell. It's very useful, it's very powerful, and a lot of people use the free version of GitHub Copilot on VS Code. That is Law 3.5 Sonnet, and now it can fetch information online. I hope you guys enjoyed this tutorial and found it helpful. If you did, please leave a like and subscribe to the channel, and I'll be seeing you in the next tutorial. Goodbye.